you? Did I kill you? I hope I did.
Okay, everyone. Welcome to the Chewie Dog Biscuit channel.
If I did, yay! If I did,
hold on a second.
You got to be crapping kidding me.
Okay. I was told by one of my friends on here to put this on YouTube. So... Okay, everyone, I'm recording.
Oh my god!
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi.
Oh my god! I'm on YouTube twice. Heck yeah! Dude, what's your guys' channel name?
Hello, I am a peaceless soldier.
I like you,
I'm
peaceful soldier.
I look pretty awesome too.
I want to get to the peaceful soldier. I want to get to the peaceful soldier.
And I don't want to get killed, please. Yeah, I'll be in the pool, that's how you know.
This medic is not going to kill you, I swear to you, this medic is not going to kill you at all.
Although I do want your Bill's hat.
Thank you, but you can't have it.
Can you turn that down, Dad? Thank you.
What did you just say about my soldier?
I like the peaceful soldier. I like the peaceful soldier very much.
Hello, everyone. This is pretty hilarious. Seems there's a peaceful soldier on here.
What the crap?
You froze me with your look! You froze me by looking at me.
No, you're still... Sorry, I killed you. You just turned into an ice sculpture for no reason. I'm peaceful.
Okay,
I'm a peaceful demo. I'm a peaceful demo.
Wow. Oh, dang it, I missed.
You're peaceful, why are you
I got it then.
Seriously, I only attack people who attack me.
Is there seriously a hacker in here?
No, that's the peaceful. That's the peaceful soldier.
It looks better red. Oh no, we got a gamer.
I want to be peaceful. I'm a peaceful demo. No one can.
Well, you're just rude, Scout. I see someone wants to die.
What the fuck is going on?
Does anyone have the familiar free or fuzz? Whatever that hat's called? Thank you, I'm sorry.
I'm doing this without a mouse.
We are peaceful. But only
I do know how much
we kill only non-peaceful people.
I don't know how much it's worth, but I just want to see if I can try to make a deal with anyone if they have it.
Okay, a green one is 1 key, a dirty one is 2.83.
Chris,
I'm a
add me to
free-to-play
your friends
player.
list, Chris.
Heavy rage.
Chris, add me to your friends
No.
list. Why?
I like to keep my friends list all. Even though I got like 60 something friends.
I like mine. Heck, I got Chewie on there. Okay, I want to be a freaking peaceful demo, so no one kill me. I'm the demo
I'm trying to
in
be
the
peaceful by
pool.
staying in the base. And I tell you that no one has the hat.
No sentries. I wanna be peaceful.
The familiar
and...
fence. I just saw someone with it. I saw a space with it.
Right behind you! Boom! Right to the face.
The familiar...
I couldn't...
Familiar fence. And I just
Thank you.
rocketed at someone in my face. And that hurt.
Sorry, Space. I just have a hard time remembering how to pronounce it every now and then.
I Ubered him and he ran out.
Yeah. Wait, Chewie, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, good.
I
Good, you're
gotta
good.
check the price on something.
Pyro!
Okay, so I got a clean cigar for 1.22 and it's worth a key.
Who has the Tommy slap? Whoever has the Tommy slap, you know you can trade that for a key. That's how much it costs. So you can trade a Tommy slap for a key if you wanted to. So if you have the Tommy slap, and if you really want to trade it for a key, if you're in a trading list and the only thing you can trade is a Tommy slab, and he's trading for a key, it's a good deal.
Buying one key. I only need one.
Trade it for a Tommy slab.
Red is kicking butt.
For a top.
Run.
Huh. You guys just took out a spy.
Shout it out,
Hey,
guys.
quit air blasting, you friggin' wuss. Hey, main fire.
A split moment. You will never be a professional.
Sunday.
Okay, guys, one more kill. Oh, I guess he will be a professional.
Sunday. I hate Sunday.
Ah,
I hate Sunday because I have to go. Derpy's using hacks. Oh, Derpy's using hacks. Hacks.
okay, everyone, say bye to YouTube.
Bye, you.
Bye.
Derpy, how dare you say something like that?